all beautiful people. Namaste. I'm your host Dolly and welcome you again and again only on Design and Creativity channel. So my dear viewers, firstly I wanted to thank you from my heart for giving me such a beautiful response, likes and love, and I'm really thankful that you are watching my videos and trying to make every time something new whatever I'm showing you here. I'm just doing blah 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 here only because I have to tell you a few basic things. First of all, the very first thing I want to tell you is that many of you people have asked me that you wanted to show me your creativity, whatever you are making. So for that, you can follow me on my Facebook page, Design and Creativity, and also you can catch me on Instagram as dolly.vp.sony. So this is what the side by things, and now we'll come to the tutorial part. So in this tutorial we are going to use the empty bath soap boxes. Okay, so whichever brand you are using, I have to do nothing with that. I only want from you is the quality of the box should be should be good enough to hold the temperature of the wax. Now the most important thing you have to keep in mind that you are not going to pour the hot wax into the paper boxes mold. You have to cool down the temperature of the melted wax a little by just stirring your vessel like this, slowly, and then you will pour it into the mold. Okay, so this is what the first thing you have to keep in mind. And the second requirement is of the wax, obviously. So but you can choose soy wax also, or you can choose paraffin wax also, it's up to you. So these are the two important things you have to keep in your mind. And now without wasting, as usual I say, now without wasting much of your time, let's head on directly to the tutorial section.